All right, here we go, guys. Look at this. We got 4 trucks out of here. We got a kraton 8 scale. We got another kraton 8 scale on 8S. We got a notorious, and we got a fire team. This is an Arrma fight, y'all.
Cray in the house.
Right. Let's get this, guys. What's up, yo? Milk Build RC. What's up?
Milk Build.
Let me show y'all something. Bam. Milk Build RC. What's up, y'all? What's up? Milk Build RC. Yeah, all right. Let's get this, y'all. On your mark, get set, go.
Look at that. Look at that.
Look at Milk. Milk for the win, y'all. I'm gone. Let's bring it back. Bring it back. Let's get some. Yeah! He was ready to do a backflip, bro. Standing back, not a standing backflip, but a backflip. Yeah. Yeah! Backflip! Clean! Let's get another one. Yeah, can you get that backflip? Backflip. Oh, not yet. Here you go, 75. Oh, and there goes the wing. Yo, I busted my wing, yo. I gotta get a 3D wing flex here. Yeah, it's a cold day right now. So we're gonna try it again. We're gonna get some. I just got done doing a backflip. Yeah, that's a beast, bro. That's some tough little trucks. Yes! Dog! That's my dog, yo! Yeah! What you talking about, bruh? Yeah! Come on, Lamar. Backflip. Watch. Yeah! Oh, watch out. Oh, nice. Backflip. Yes. Oh, that's a good save, though. Good bash, big boy. All right, let me pull you up to 100%. I've been running them at I believe 75. Yes. Oh, I got him at 50. I was at 50%, y'all. Oh, I'm back at, this is at 100 now. Oh, yeah, he crazy now. Yeah, he crazy now, y'all. Oh, no, we just gonna, oh, pause. No, I ain't pausing. I'm just gonna pick him up. Yeah. He's at 100% though, guys. Oh, he's a nut. Oh, he runs hard. Whoa! I'm gonna come fly by, y'all. Whoa! Is the Arrma tough, guys? Arrma tough. Yes, that's my dog, y'all. Party. Nice run. Yeah, we getting some good stuff now, y'all. Heads up, Ernie. Dang, that thing is fast. This 8S kraton ain't no joke, y'all. Come around this corner with me, y'all. Come on. Whip it around this corner. Good. Here we go. Here I come. Whoa. Fire team coming around the corner. Notorious coming around the corner. Other way now, y'all. This way now. Wait for me. Whoa, still saved. Who's next? Notorious. Ah! And it's a save. Good jump, bro. Yeah. Where you at? You got a kaiju. Let me see if that kaiju. Let me see what he can do with me right here. Turn around. Oh, he looked fast, y'all.
Oh, yeah, I got to get on out of here, y'all.
You out?
Yeah, I got to.
Good bash, man.
Walk over there.
We appreciate you, bro.
Yes, sir.
See you later, fire team.
Yes, sir.
Peace out.
All right, I'm
Heads
gone,
up,
yo.
heads up, heads up. You go first. Go. Oh, I'm messed up. Oh! Let me go back and get you, bro. That was a bad one. I was all out of control. I'm on that 8S right now, 100 right now. Yeah, that thing come up too easy, yo. She come up too easy. Save, not save, but ooh, oh, fired, not fire team, but that's the kaiju. Man, we are bashing hard, yo, because we are rookie bashers, yo. Good jump. Good jump. Let's see how y'all look. Let's see how I look going around the whoop right here. Here's the whoop right here. Jay! Is that the kaiju? Oh, fire team! Man, we giving these things a brutal bashing, bro. Whoa, I'm going over the roof. Yeah. Get some with it. Huh? Huh? Okay, got you. We both broke wings today.
I think he out.
Yeah. Yeah.
Good meeting you, Nigeria.
Win?
I can work.
This was an awesome run, yo. We did the thing big, yo. Oh, that thing is so fast.
Really recommend it.
Nice. That was a good run, bro. Oh, there I go. I gotta pick it up. We both do. Dang. Pause.